The promise of tomorrow is very unfulfilling because there's nothing guaranteed about it. Yesterday's gone. It's a canceled check. Tomorrow's a promissory note. The only thing that you can cash right now is now. Now is all you got. You don't have anything else but now. You see, the promise of today, it's very fulfilling because you've got it right now. It is in your hands. You can do something about now, right now. And never rely on tomorrow to bail you out because it can't and it won't. If you don't try to create the future you want, you must endure the future you get. That's why you need to make every day a masterpiece. That's why every moment matters. So today, you got it in your hand. Grab it, do it right now. If you do it now, you're preparing for tomorrow. If you don't do it now, tomorrow, you're going to try to repair yesterday, and you just can't do that well. You can do no more than 100%. So 120% tomorrow is an impossibility, but 100% today, that's possible. If you give 100% today, you won't have to make up something that is impossible tomorrow. But if you only give 80%, you don't get the next 20% tomorrow. You don't get an override. You just lose the 20%. You don't have to be 100% on all day, but you do have to be 100% on in the things that are important. If you have 10 things to do and you put them in order, number 1 is truly more important than number 2, in descending order down to number 10. If you just do the top 2 things, you'll get an 80% return of everything you need in life. So look at your list. You maybe have 7 things to do today, 7 definite things that you need to accomplish. Now, if you've got 7 definite things that you need to accomplish, they don't all hold equal weight. Pick out your times. You don't have to be 100% all day, but you do have to be 100% at the things which are really, really important in your life. In other words, we're human. We get tired. We need to take breaks. We mentally get fatigued. You can't get up in the morning and go till night and be always on. You can't be 100%. What's required of you, what gives you the greatest return, and what gives you the greatest reward. Kind of want to line those up when what is required of you is also the thing that gives you the greatest return, which is also the thing that gives you the greatest reward. That's all about prioritizing. That's all about energy. That's all about excellence. When we change the way we look at things, the things that we look at change. How we view things determines how we do things. What you see is who you will be. And we see things not as they are. We see things as we are. So what is before you isn't what you see. Who you are is what you see. Make every day your masterpiece. Every moment matters because the moment was made for you.